Hi guys, you're watching Wraptor Customs, and today I am installing some of these active exhaust valves. So what do these active exhaust valves do? Well, they allow you to have a quiet exhaust to a rather loud, sporty exhaust with just the press of a button. I think most of us would enjoy a sporty, loud exhaust for a bit of fun, but we can't live with it day to day. We don't want to be looked at all the time, we don't want a motorway kind of drone noise, and we don't want to upset the neighbours really. So these valves give the ability of having the best of both worlds. Now, these are the valves I've gone for. The reason being is I actually recognise these as the same valves as being fitted to McLarens, so hopefully they're pretty good quality. I think what I'm going to do before installation is wire these up on the bench and check they all function before installing it to the car and then finding there's an issue. It comes with a very nice, neat looking remote, in fact a pair of them, which is nice for a spare one. And it's very nice for them to supply the batteries with it. Yeah, they didn't supply the batteries. If you purchase it from us, I'll supply the batteries. How's that? Right, I've plugged them all in and wired them to a 12 volt source. Let's turn it on. Now, yes, look at that. Lovely jubbly. Right, time to custom fabricate those onto the exhaust, route all the wiring and fuse it to a 12 volt ignition source, and let's listen to some noise. These active exhaust valve kits will be available very soon on our online shop. Just visit raptorcustoms.com/shop. They do require professional installation, as you can see. We can ship these globally, or if you'd like us to install in-house in our workshop in the Midlands, please do just send us a message via our online inquiry form that you can find at the bottom of our website. So, standard exhaust system, we've got some exhaust catalysts here which predominantly reduce the exhaust emissions, however they do actually silence it as well. And then we've got a couple of mid boxes, another little silencer, some resonators, and then we have the pair of rear silencers. Now, most vehicles or sporty vehicles that have active valves from standard, not all cars do, just some, what they'll do is when the valve opens it will bypass just some of the baffling within the rear mufflers. So then you get kind of a sporty noise during normal driving, and then with a button pressed you'll get a slightly louder, slightly sportier noise. But we're going to make the most of this opportunity, and we're actually going to retain the standard silencers, and then with the press of a button it will completely bypass all of the baffling in that silencer to create an obviously louder and more sporty noise. So we've got a much more sort of broad range than what you'd expect from a car from factory that may have exhaust active valves fitted. Of course, for more vehicle customization, tuning, maintenance, repairs and more, please do click that subscribe button if you're on YouTube, or give us a follow on social media. It does help and it is appreciated. That's my best exhaust impression, sorry. If you think you can do better, comment below. Do it please, don't let me down, come on, it's all a bit of fun. We do in-house exhaust fabrication, including high flow catalysts, sports mufflers, active exhaust valves, nice new shiny exhaust tips and carbon fibre tips, and more. If you're interested in exhaust, customization, feel free to send us a message. Go on then, Paul, give it a rev.